Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Nearly 2 months ahead of the announcement, or rather, of the commencement of general elections, it's time for another comprehensive and extensive Times Now ETG survey, which will give you a glimpse into the mood of the nation on different subjects, on different issues. From the Nitish Kumar tsunami to Ram Leher to Ab Ki Baar 400 Par, there's never a dull moment in Indian politics. While Palti by Paltu Ram Nitish Kumar has sent the opposition into a tizzy over the betrayal, a wave of Astha and Balidan has united Bharat after the Ram Mandir Pran Pratishtha. I was there in Ayodhya and I saw the magnitude of events unfolding right in front of my eyes. It was a historic moment with a momentous impact on the psyche, perhaps even in politics. The Saffron Party, riding high on the Mandir Leher from Ayodhya to Kashi, has just presented a budget of continuity and confidence. The interim budget made it clear the Prime Minister is confident of being blessed by the people of Bharat with a hat-trick and a comeback. But is there any credible challenger to Prime Minister Narendra Modi? In moments from now, we will unveil concrete data and comprehensive survey which will gauge what the Janta thinks. But first, let's get you this very interesting clip in Parliament today where the President of the Congress Party, Mallikarjun Kharge, can be seen roaring, Ab Ki Baar 400 Par. Of course, you would wonder what's the context to all of this, but watch it and find out.
और लेकर आपका इतना बहुमत है, अब तो पहले 330, 334 की, अपने तो 400 पार हो रहा है।
Now, where do you need an endorsement bigger than the President of the Congress Party? And, the humor wasn't lost on the Prime Minister, Narendra Modi. Right after this, of course, Union Minister Smriti Irani quipped saying, the opposition has accepted Tisri Baar 400 Par. Even Anurag Thakur joined in saying, finally the truth has slipped out from the Congress. While the Congress itself said that sarcasm was lost on the BJP, the BJP said that the admission of defeat was already right there in front of the nation. While the Congress chief spoke about Ab Ki Baar 400 Par, their own house didn't seem to be in order at all. Look at how Chief Minister of Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, chided Rahul Gandhi, saying even if Congress fights on 300 seats, it might not even end up with 40 seats, and of course gave them a piece of her mind about what she thought about him knowing the realities of the country. Listen in.
ফটোশুট করছে সব। এখন আবার নতুন দেখছি নতুন করে ফটোশুট, যারা কোনোদিন চায়ের দোকানে বসেইনি, চা বানাতে জানেই না, বাচ্চাদের আদর করেইনি, শিশু বলতে কি বোঝেই না, বিড়ি বাঁধতে জানেই না, কোনোদিনও বিড়ির বদলে অন্য কিছু হয়তো খায়, খেতেই পারে, আমাদের গ্রামীণ লোকেরা অনেকে বিড়ি খায়, এটা নিয়ে আমি বলছি না। বাবা, বসন্তের কোকিলরা চলে এসেছে, প্রথমেই চলে এলো বাংলায়, ভাবলো এখানে মুসলিমদের একটু সুশ্রী দিই, তুমি 40টা সিট পাবে কিনা আমরা জানি না, সারা ভারত 300টা সিট লড়ে, বুকের পাটা থাকতো দেখতাম ইউপিতে এলাহাবাদে গিয়ে বিজেপিকে হারিয়ে এসো, বেনারসে গিয়ে হারিয়ে এসো, রাজস্থানে গিয়ে হারিয়ে এসো, যেটা জায়গা হেরেছো, মধ্যপ্রদেশে গিয়ে হারিয়ে এসো। কংগ্রেস তুমি তো একা পারবে না, তুমি 40টা সিট পাবে কিনা আমরা জানি না। আজ তোমাদের এত অহংকার, এত অলংকার।
And who says politics can't be entertaining? But it's important to sift through the shadow boxing and political muscle flexing and stick to the facts on the ground. We will, over the next 60 minutes, get you an opinion poll which will give you a glimpse into what's on the mind of Bharat 2 months ahead of the Mahabharata and just a few weeks ahead of the announcement of election. It's time for the Times Now ETG survey, the most definitive and extensively researched opinion poll. Let's first get you the methodology. The sample size for this survey is about 31,270 people, and the survey was conducted across 24 states and union territories. Without much to wait for, door-to-door survey, sample size of 31,000 plus, and before we begin to look at the questions, let's introduce to you the panel joining me this evening.